Suture materials. Suture materials are of two types, absorbable and non-absorbable. Firstly, we will be studying the absorbable ones. In the absorbable, we have natural and synthetic. Natural are those undergoing enzymatic degradation and phagocytosis, whereas synthetic are those which undergo hydrolysis. In the natural we have plain and chromic catgut. Plain catgut takes 7 to 10 days to degrade, while chromic catgut takes 90 days to degrade. And these are made from submucosa of sheep or cattle gut. So cat here is a misnomer. It is not made from cat mucosa, it is made from sheep mucosa or cattle mucosa. Then in the synthetic we have the mnemonic PVD. From P we have polydioxanone PDS. Then another P is polyglycapron or also known as monocryl, polyglycapron or monocryl. Polydioxanone, it is a large name PDS, so it takes 180 days. And polydioxanone is a polyester polymer. Polyester polymer, polydioxanone 180 days. Then is polyglycapron or monocryl. It takes 90 to 120 days and it is made from glycapron. Gly stands for glycolite and capron stands for caprolactone. Glycolite plus caprolactone, polyglycapron, 90 to 120 days. Then from V we have Vicryl. Vicryl is also known as Vicryl Victory, and we in the lottery we won the 1 lakh rupees. So Vicryl is also known as polygalactin. In the name galactin, LAC is coming, and it is made from GA for glycolide and lactin for lactide, and it takes 60 to 90 days to degrade. Then is D for Daxon. Daxon takes 60 to 90 days and it is made up of polyglycolic acid. Let's revise again the synthetic ones. P for polydioxanone or PDS or polyester polymer taking 180 days. Then another P for polyglycapron or monocryl, and it is made up of glycolite or caprolactone and taking 90 to 120 days. Then V for vicryl or polygalactin made up of glycolide plus lactide and taking 60 to 90 days. Then is D for Daxon or polyglycolic acid and taking 60 to 90 days. That's done with absorbable. Now non-absorbable. In the non-absorbable we have natural, that is linen and silk, and in the synthetic we have pen. Pen is synthetic. We know through pen mnemonic is there. P for proline or polypropylene and P for polyester or ethibond. Polyester ethibond. How we will remember? In the polyester PO is coming and in the ethibond BO is coming. PO and BO are in the same. Then E for ethylone. Ethylone and ethibond we need to differentiate. In the ethylone, polyamide is coming. Okay. And N for nylon. Let's revise again. P for proline, polypropylene. P for polyester, ethibond. Then E for ethylone, polyamide. And N for nylon. Then we need to differentiate between the monofilament and polyfilament. Monofilament is made up of one strand. Polyfilament is made up of multiple strands. In the one strand, knot will be loose, but bacterial contamination is less. And in the polyfilament, knot does not get loosened and bacterial contamination is more. And in the monofilament, we have the example of absorbable catgut and monocryl. Catgut natural one and monocryl. Monocryl is also known as polyglycapron. And in the non-absorbable, we have proline and ethylone. Proline and ethylone. Ethylone also known as polyamide. Then in the mon- uh, in the polyfilament ones, we have silk and linen and Daxon. Silk and linen are non-absorbable and Daxon is absorbable. Daxon is also known as polyglycolic acid. So that's all what we need to remember. Important points of the suture materials. I hope